Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to merge two videos in Camtasia. First, open Camtasia and then import two videos from your device. Then drag them into the timeline. Drag the first video into the timeline and drag the second video beside the first video. You can also drag it beneath or underneath the video at the same spot. It will merge as a same video like this. If you want the first video shorter, you can just select the frame and press S key from your keyboard for split and delete it. And here you can see first video is shorter than second video. Then you can also add some transition between both videos. For that, click on this transition option and add any transition you like. Add this between the videos. And here is the preview. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel. And click the bell icon for more updates.